When someone asks, how do I track dependencies between long lead items and critical path activities? They're usually asking a scheduling question. But I don't think it's a scheduling problem. I think it's a confidence problem. Because in construction, nothing erodes trust faster than realizing a long lead item didn't show up and now your critical path is exposed. The real problem becomes, did we see it coming or did it sneak up on us? Hey, I'm Mike, builder innovator who has worked as a designer, subcontractor, GC, and owner, and now I run the customer success team at Outbuild. In most projects, long lead tracking lives in one place, the CPM schedule lives somewhere else. Procurement conversations happen over email, and field commitments live in weekly meetings. Everything is technically documented, but nothing is truly connected. So what happens? You have a steel package with a 22-week lead time, curtain walls approved, but fabrication slots are tight, switchgears delayed 3 months. On paper, those are procurement issues. In reality, they're scheduling nightmares. Because long lead items don't hurt you when they're late, they hurt you because they're disconnected from field execution. And the construction industry has accepted this fragmentation as normal. But for the sake of your projects, they shouldn't be normal. So when I hear, how do I track dependencies between long lead items and critical path activities? I translate it to, how do I make sure the field feels the risk early enough to respond? How do I make procurement visible to superintendents? And how do I connect a submittal delay today to a framing sequence 90 days from now? Because dependencies are not just logic ties in P6, they're commitments between people. And if those commitments aren't visible, measurable, and talked about weekly, you don't have a logically tied schedule, you have a hope strategy. Outbuild exists to close that gap, not by replacing CPM logic, but by operationalizing it. Here's what I mean. The master schedule tells you what should happen. Outbuild ensures the field aligns around what will happen. When long lead items are connected to scheduled milestones in Outbuild, they show up in lookaheads. They impact weekly commitments. They become visible risks, not hidden footnotes, and they trigger conversations before they become escalations. Now, the superintendent isn't reacting to a missed delivery. They're adjusting sequencing weeks in advance. Now the PM isn't chasing procurement updates. They're seeing the analytics that highlight constraint risk before it touches the critical path. That's the shift. From static dependency tracking to living, breathing dependency management. And zooming out, this is bigger than software. Construction has historically separated planning from execution. Schedulers plan, PMs procure, supers build. Outbuild is about reunifying those worlds. Because the job doesn't care about org charts. The job only cares whether the electrical gear shows up before rough-in. When we connect long lead procurement to weekly field commitments, we're doing something profound. We're giving the field foresight. And foresight is what creates confidence. Confidence reduces chaos. Chaos reduction increases margin. And margin protection is what makes companies durable. This is why I believe Outbuild matters. Not because it tracks dependencies, but because it strengthens decision-making under uncertainty. So, practically, how do you track dependencies between long lead items and critical path activities? You do 3 things. 1, tie long lead items directly to schedule milestones, not just as notes, but as constraint drivers. 2, make those constraints visible in rolling lookaheads so the field sees impact windows early. And then 3, review them weekly in commitment meetings where teams adjust sequencing before a risk becomes a delay. That's what Outbuild enables. It turns long lead tracking from a spreadsheet exercise into a team sport. Construction will always have uncertainty. Supply chains will fluctuate, approvals will slip. But missed dependencies shouldn't be a surprise. When planning is connected to execution, when long lead visibility lives where weekly work happens, you don't just protect the critical path, you protect trust. Not just as a scheduling tool, but as a confidence engine for the construction industry.